everyone, welcome back to this crypto news and technical analysis update on multiple cryptocurrency including Bitcoin, Ethereum and Bitcoin dominance today. Of course, let's start with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is king and he deserves to be the first. So let's start with Bitcoin. As you can see here, Bitcoin is still below this trend line, which is still not very good. So until Bitcoin does not get back above this trend line, we cannot expect any further bullish momentum. Okay, though we're still having some kind of bullish signals at the moment. In fact, Bitcoin broke above this resistance lines from the volume profile indicator, which is very good. In fact, Bitcoin tested back the highest volume line, as you can see here, this red line. We retested it and we continue higher, though Bitcoin is now currently testing another resistance. As you can see here, it's the 99.3 resistance level, and until we do not break this resistance level towards the upside, we cannot expect any further bullish momentum. In fact, if on the daily candle we reject from this resistance line, we might go back here, potentially retest here and continue higher, and that would be still a bullish sign. But if Bitcoin gets back below this blue line, it's not very good news. Unfortunately, we might go back again to 97.3, and if we cannot hold this line, then we're going back to 94. So please watch out on this. And yeah, let's now continue again on Bitcoin on the other chart. As you can see here, I've been talking about this bullish pattern for a couple of days now. In fact, we broke out from it, and of course Bitcoin, this is the same resistance that I showed you before, the 99.3 level, which is now currently rejecting from it. Now we could still go back down here at 97.6, though it would not be very good, because if we break the 98.5 level from this blue line, then we might definitely go back to the 97.3, and here is very similar, 97.6. So pretty similar levels. So worst case scenario, I think we could get back to 97.6, potentially retest it and get back above it. Of course, let's hope for that. Of course, the target of this bullish wedge is the top of the wedge, which at the moment is the all-time high at $108,000. We still have a lot of resistance between this price target, so Bitcoin it's not gonna go straight up to it. Unfortunately, we still have some resistance, so we might go like this, go here, retest, go down a bit, and potentially then head higher towards it. I think we might reach this target towards the 20th of January when Trump becomes officially president at his inauguration in Washington DC. So let's wait for that moment. And I think he's bullish on crypto, so this is going to be a good narrative for Bitcoin to continue higher. Let's hope for that. Let's now go on Ethereum. At the moment, as you can see here, Ethereum broke out from this symmetrical triangle, which I was also talking for a couple of days on my channel, on my Twitter account. As you can see here, in fact, we did not yet reach our target. We almost reached it, but not yet. The target is $3,700 per Ethereum. We have still bullish news, because as you can see here, the volume is increasing, as you can see here, and the price is also increasing, indicating bullish momentum from the buyers, and the buyers are currently in control, in fact. So this is very good for Ethereum. I think we do not have any major support. As you can see, we have a little support here. I'm gonna show you, wait. We have a little support here. As you can see here, we might test it, but even if we go back here to this level, to this green level, which is a very big level, okay, if we go back here, we tested it and we continue higher, that is still very bullish sign. So I would put some limit orders. In fact, I put some limit orders here on Bybit, so please put some limit orders here. It's I think we have a quite good possibility to get back here, and if we don't, well, it's unfortunate. But please make sure that Ethereum does not break this line. If we break it, then it's going to be very, very bad news. So please watch out here. We need to hold this green line, because if we don't hold it, we might go back below $3,000. Okay, so please make sure Ethereum still holds this line to continue the bullish momentum. And then let's now continue on to the Bitcoin dominance, as you can see here. So Bitcoin, the Bitcoin dominance had a weekly candle close below the support line, this trend line, sorry. We had a weekly candle close below it, so it's very, very bullish. Look, we broke down, we tested it back, and now we are rejecting from it. It's like a textbook pattern, perfect, perfect, perfect. So I think we are going to continue lower, and the altcoin season will start. We have additional confirmation of it because, wait 1 second. We have additional confirmation of it because, as you can see here, these moving averages are crossing, as you can see here, towards a bearish cross, which is very, very good, indicating most probably an altcoin season. And of course the Bitcoin dominance will go lower. We might have some support at these 100 moving average, so we might get back here at 53.6, but it's still very, very good because it would indicate a lot of pumps into the altcoins. And now let's conclude with analysis on CoinGlass. As you can see here, we're going to do only on Bitcoin here. We have the funding rates being positive. Of course, the long position are paying short position. In fact, this means that long position are dominant currently in the market. The open interest is currently also increasing, indicating that money is flowing into Bitcoin, indicating the bullish price action. As you can see here, more money flows in, the price is continuing higher, which is very, very good. And we also have a bullish divergence on the cumulative volume delta indicator, which indicates buying and selling pressure. At the current moment, it seems that we have more sellers than buyers, but the price is still continuing higher, indicating that the price still has a lot of bullish momentum. So we are very, very bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the altcoins, because the Bitcoin dominance is currently also rejecting. So that's very good. Make sure to put some limit orders using my link down below, as you can see here, because I am a Bybit partner. Bybit is the most trusted and liquid exchange for leverage trading in crypto. So make sure to join with my link, and you can get also $500 position drop for free if you use my link down below. As always, make sure to follow me on Twitter at the Bitcoin Addict. We have here daily analysis. As you can see, I also talk about Solana, DOT, AVAX, and multiple altcoins analysis on my Twitter at the moment. So if there's an urgent emergency analysis, I will post it on Twitter because it's much faster. So please make sure to follow me on Twitter at the Bitcoin Addict. Thank you again for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Thank you again, and bye bye.